Hi, my name is Saurabh and I am the director of Radika Exports Fab Private Limited. We are a fabrics company and we are into retail and wholesale of fabrics. So previously we've been using an ERP software called Tally, which is a very common software in India, and we've been using it for everything. And it was about time that we shifted to something better because Tally was not efficient with stock keeping. The data used to be very heavy, the file was too heavy, because of which the working time and each command used to take very long, and we were not happy with the overall speed of the software, which is why we decided to switch to a cloud-based software. Now, although Tally does support a cloud version, but it doesn't provide you with features that would be otherwise available on different platforms, like for example using a e-commerce website, which usually requires a software like Shopify to be integrated with your current ERP. When you shift to a purely cloud-based software, it eliminates the need for dependency on any third-party softwares like Shopify. And this is when I came across Odoo. When I checked out the features which were offered by Odoo, it not just sort of gave me a solution for everything that I needed, but it also offered more. And by more, I would like to say the kind of features that I did not imagine to be available in one single software, completely seamlessly integrated. So coming into the my favorite stuff which we like to use is that Odoo likes to manage your website. It will give you a very seamless app where you can sort of design your own website and maintain an e-commerce platform for it, which will be directly linked to your current inventory without having to need to depend on third-party softwares. And then there is a Discuss app which is available to manage your WhatsApp and inquiries. And obviously everybody has their own users, so you can give access to different users to be using WhatsApp right from the Odoo app, no matter where it is. It could be on your phone, iPad, laptop, or anywhere. So this gives you an overall more seamless experience to manage your business remotely. With Tally, this was never this was never a chance, because for each and everything while traveling or otherwise occupied at work, I would have to physically make calls and get in touch with the staff for the smallest of requirements. But with Odoo, everything is just simply available on your phone. The moment you open the Odoo app, you can get access to all your contacts, invoices, you can generate your invoices and do everything which Tally was and still is not capable of. And obviously with everything else, it is sort of understood with the cloud-based softwares that since the data is not stored on your physical server at your premises, it is over the internet, so you obviously don't have to face difficulties of the data not being loading properly, issues with your server, nothing at all. And obviously the inventory management and everything else that comes along with it is much better than what you would get with the traditional bookkeeping software like Tally. So this sums it up to why there was a need to shift from the old versions of Tally or Busy or any other softwares that we've been using in the past and move to something like Odoo. Now for Odoo, we chose Ksolves as our partner. These guys were very helpful because Odoo would just probably provide you with the licenses, but you would still need someone to help you, guide you, and onboard you in a seamless manner so that you can get the right tools and the right opportunities to access and make use of Odoo in the best possible way. This is where Ksolves come into the picture. They were our implementation partners for Odoo, and they gave us a good onboarding support. They helped us transfer all our data, invoices, contacts, and everything else that was there in our current software, we were able to move it to Odoo. And my staff had a lot of doubts initially. They were a little hesitant, but with these guys around, there were a lot of online meetings. We even got support from them offline, wherein we had an executive visit us multiple times and helped us guide throughout the process. And not just that, even once the implementation was complete and the data transfer was done and everything was running smooth, my staff still needed training, and they wanted to know how to use the software and how to go about each and every module, which is where these guys did their best in giving us online and offline meetings. And once my entire staff was trained and they were comfortable with the software, we went ahead and renewed an AMC package post the completion of the project, so that in case there are any doubts or any inquiries or a support which is needed, we are able to keep them along going till the time required. I think this is a consistent and an ongoing project, and this will probably continue for a long time. We are looking at sort of a long-term solution with these guys, because as businesses, we are always facing this problem where you are letting go of some of your staff people and hiring new ones, and you consistently have this need to train your staff and to sort of improve and try to use more and more modules. And then once the Odoo version is updated, then there will be a few changes that would again be required. And these are also for this is good for the business as well. The new features and the new updates that are there would require some sort of training to the staff. So this is where I feel that this is going to be a constant continuation package which is going to be continued with these guys. I'm happy with however the experience has been so far, and I hope we can continue this for as long as possible.